So we are in New York City. This was a totally spontaneous trip. It kind of just worked out perfectly. It's actually the holiday weekend and Josh's parents already had plans with the boys on Saturday and Sunday. And then my parents had been saying they haven't seen Paxton lately because he's in kindergarten every day. So they went there on Friday night. So it was just like the perfect weekend that we didn't have kids and we didn't come to New York City like we normally do in August because of all the house situations and buying and selling a house and everything. So we just thought it would be so fun to just come over here and spend the whole weekend here. So we have no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna come up with some fun things. I'm gonna vlog the entire thing. And yeah, so let me just quickly show you my outfit of the day, because that's really fun. All right, here is my outfit of the day. I actually can link everything because all of this is brand new. These are my new Levi jeans. They're like pretty darn holy, but I really like them. They're super comfortable. They are by Levi, like I said. And then this sweater is so nice. It's like a scalloped sweater. My hair is in the way, you can't even see it, but it is from Nordstrom and I like how it's like pretty short cut. It's just, I don't know, it's like really interesting. So this trip is so last minute. I forgot many things. I forgot my toothbrush, my toothpaste, I forgot my mascara. I have to go buy that, so that's not gonna be okay like all day long. But I feel like I forgot other things as well. I'll probably find out as I slowly start unpacking, but for now we're going to start exploring. That's what we love to do. We're gonna go get some breakfast. It's just so fun. So last night we actually came at night. We've never done that, but that was a much better option because we like missed all of the traffic. So now we are gonna go do some exploring. I know you guys love when I take you guys shopping with me, so I definitely wanna do that, and I need some mascara. Yeah, so let's go. What are you gonna order?
The Big Man sandwich.
Good. Hey, I know that person. I found you.
Found me. I'm doing some crazy shopping.
Are you?
Yep.
Where are you shopping?
I'm gonna go to Johnny V.
Johnny V.
Yep. But it's too expensive.
It is too expensive. Alrighty, so we are back to the hotel. We're gonna do something now that most people probably don't do, but anybody that's like a blogger or like anybody on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, I'm gonna take some pictures here in the city. So I don't know if this is gonna be a total fail just because there's so many people everywhere and it's like good to get a shot with not like 15 people in the background. Josh over here is being an awesome husband. He's gonna iron my clothes, I guess sitting down because this thing is, it's a mini, very short ironing table.
It's nice that you get to sit down. It's like relaxing. Hello all. Shay is feeling a little sad because the pictures are not going very well.
It's really hard to take pictures here.
Apparently there's a lot of people in New York City and they won't really get out of our way for us, so that's annoying. Just kidding. We're gonna keep pressing on and get some good photos. Oh my god, I just got...
Did you see that?
Oh my... I almost got stung in the eye. You people saw that. That was insane. Alright, so we're here shopping, and one thing I'm good at that Shay does not appreciate that much is that I'm very good with languages. I'm great at pronouncing some of these fashion brands. It's been known to happen on her channel. She mispronounced a word, and I say, babe, why don't you just tell me? I can help you pronounce these words. So I am like the connoisseur of languages. Alright, here we go. Here's one. So we got Loea, you know, that's pretty good, I think. I think I nailed that.
So this is such a stunning bag. I love like the classic bamboo handle and then like the emblem here, and then here is the strap. So we're gonna see what it looks like with the strap. So here's what this bag looks like. Oh my gosh, I love it, but clearly I'm a fan of Gucci. I don't know, it's like a mini bag, but it actually does hold a lot, and I did sell my wallet on chain. Oh wait, you open it at the side here. My nails are way too long. I'll do that later. But anyway, here's just another look. It's super sparkly, but like I said, I love the bamboo handle. And then here's what it looks like when it's just crossbody. So it's like a really nice length. I don't know, it's like different, but really, really pretty. So here is this Valentino bag. It's actually so pretty and sparkly. It's a really good size. I really like it. You just open the flap here. And then like some of the other ones, you can also wear it crossbody. And I don't have a gray bag. So this is definitely a contender. Now we have this Fendi bucket bag, which I really like it. I love the logo. I'm not sure I'm loving this like circle thing here. I'm not sure, but I really like the bag. What do you guys think? I don't know, I'm torn. Here is another burgundy bag. This is a Saint Laurent bag. I also really like the Loewe bag, and yes, I now know how to pronounce it, so thanks to you guys. But this is the puzzle bag. Beautiful. So we're deciding between espadrilles. There's this, or there's this new style where it's like velvet and it says Chanel. I don't know, because I sold my other ones that were like this because they were a little too small. So I'm scared to get that size again because I feel like my foot was in between the sizes, but maybe these could be better. I don't know. Josh likes those. I've been loving these Dior little kitten heels too. So Josh is trying on a Gucci driver. There's black shoe with the B on it. What do you think?
Don't know.
Don't know. They're nice. Are they too tight?
No. Might be too loose because I have my sock on, you know?
Oh, yeah. So we went shopping. He bought something. He actually purchased
something. And
something.
There was something in my size. How about that?
Yeah. And I have my eye on a few things. So per usual, I don't ever just like immediately buy something. I kind of like ponder it. So I will see what happens, but our plan is we're gonna do a husband and wife unboxing video because we'll both have something to unbox. So stay tuned for that video. I don't know what my item will be. Maybe, Josh, maybe you'll be on your own.
I'll do an unboxing. Nobody will watch it, but it'll be
I think I'll have something. We'll see what happens, but that's kind of the update of the day. We're going to go to bed and we'll see what tomorrow brings.
It's literally like 8 o'clock at night, and we're like, okay, time for bed. We're still on parent time. Hi guys, it's Sunday morning. We're here in Central Park. Yesterday was Saturday and we really didn't vlog at all. We were kind of just exploring, soaking up the city. Really didn't think about it that much. But today is our last day here and we're just gonna get some bikes. We're going to ride our bikes around Central Park. Ridden a bike before?
We got stuck in the Polish parade. I am Polish, so it's fitting. Okay, we're here eating some Thai food, and Josh just made his noodles like super spicy, so we're gonna check in like 5 minutes and see if he's perspiring.
I will be.
I see it. I see it.
It's hot.
It's hot.
My turtle.
So we're leaving tomorrow. I did buy something, so we're gonna be doing a husband and wife unboxing. So that'll be hopefully the next video, so stay tuned to see what we got. I got something freaking cool, like super awesome. I'm probably talking it up, but I'm not talking it up because it's like really nice. I'm really excited about it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Say goodbye, Josh.
Goodbye, Josh.
Hope you enjoyed his awesome parkour moves.
They were fun to film.
Yeah. All right, bye guys.
See ya.